Hey guys, welcome to VARIBEND, where we don't just provide machines, we provide precision and efficiency. Today we are going to talk about our channel edge bender S18 for ladders with V-notch and flange back. This heavy-duty bending machine is a must-have high-end option and is quite popular in North America. It can bend materials up to 1/16 of an inch thick and 8 inches high. It can not only do trim cap ladders with flange and V-notch back, but also trimless ladders, reverse ladders, and halo-lit 3D ladders. Software is easy to use. The settings can be programmed and saved for different materials, so you don't have to do the calibration every time. And you can also choose the continuous mode for mass production and make it more efficient. Here we can see the upper feed hand, and inside this panel there is a lower feed hand. The two hands will work alternatively, offering a high accuracy and high speed transmission. S18 also has knife slotting and saw blade slotting to deal with both steel and aluminum. Here is what makes the machine different: V-notch cutting and flanging system. They are both motor driven, which ensures the speed and perfect finish at the same time. S18 has the telescopic bending. It's with double curved blades and is driven by Fuji servo motor. Here's the auto cut system, which will cut off every single ladder once the job is finished. This is a finished return of letter T from T-Mobile. Look at the nicely cut V-notch. And you can see the perfect curves and very small stroke. You can attach the back to the return easily, either by riveting or clinching. And then attach the acrylic face to it with the jewel-lit trim cap. With high accuracy, S18 can make small ladders like this, and can also make large ladders up to 15 feet tall. If you're interested in transforming your signage business, check us out at VARIBEND.com for a free estimate. Follow us and stay tuned for more information about signage equipment. I'm Amber from VARIBEND, where precision meets efficiency. I'll see you guys next time.